Welcome back to our channel, guys. Jack here at c247.com. A very exciting day today as we finally get hands-on with the long-awaited OnePlus 9 Pro. So here we have it. Let's take a look inside the box of the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. First off, just need to cut the seals. Make sure that one's done on that side as well. There we have it. And that slips off nicely. It's great presentation here from OnePlus as always. So firstly, we're greeted with the phone itself wrapped in a protective covering. If we take off this little sleeve here, we are greeted with a silicone case, a Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and of course the 65-watt fast charging 3-pin plug. That's it for now. Let's take a look a little closer at the phone itself. So we've spent a little bit of time getting to know this OnePlus 9 Pro, which of course has been co-developed with Hasselblad, and as part of that comes this brand new OnePlus 9 Pro camera, which comes with a 48 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, and of course the mono camera. There's all sorts of excellent features as part of the new setup here, and we can't wait to show you some of those in just a moment. The camera on the smartphone has been made for amateurs and demanding professionals alike. The ultra wide angle lens is one of the largest on any smartphone and comes with amazing colour accuracy. It's definitely worth mentioning the hyper-realistic motion this phone can offer, and it comes with HD, 4K and 8K resolution of recording, as well as 30, 60 and 120 frames per second. That's absolutely amazing for any flagship smartphone. We would like to touch on the aesthetics of this latest flagship smartphone. We must say it does feel very premium and well built. Now the version we have here is in stellar black. It's almost like a matte black finish. You can also get it in morning mist and lime green. Though if we weren't reviewing this phone, it would be our job to mention that the back does feel very slippery, but luckily OnePlus do provide a silicone case to help with that. It is also IP68 rated, therefore it is water resistant. One of our favourite features of this phone is of course the fast charging. OnePlus call it the Warp Charge 65. Now you can get a day's charge in just 15 minutes. With a 4,500 milliamp battery, that's absolutely huge. But even better than that, if you want 100% charge from 1%, it would only take you 29 minutes. Now, OnePlus comes with excellent wireless charging, known as OnePlus Wireless Charge 50, that can also give you a day's charge in just 30 minutes from wireless charging. Utilising the twin battery design, each charging at 25 watts, the wireless charging on this phone can outpower some of the other wired fast charging solutions out there. This flagship phone comes with the OnePlus 9 Pro Fluid Display 2.0 with a 120Hz refresh rate. So that means using apps on YouTube or browsing through Google feels incredibly smooth, as it should. And you don't have to worry about it cutting down your battery life. This is smart 120Hz refresh rate, which basically means it can scale down in real time to match what content you are using on your phone, so you're never wasting battery at any point during your mobile phone experience. The OnePlus 9 Pro runs on Android 11, but has its own Oxygen OS. It's a slightly tailored smartphone experience to best suit this smartphone that has been co-developed with the OnePlus community. In terms of RAM and internal memory, you have an 8GB and 120GB internal memory option, or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory. So you have a choice either way to best suit you. So that brings us to the end of this unboxing video. You can find more information on the OnePlus 9 Pro in the description box below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.